Are you trying to make a logo? Do you know how to create a logo easily with AI tools? If you don't know, then this video is for you. Because today, we're unlocking the secrets behind intelligent logo design with Logo AI. So, let's dive right in. Logo AI is a revolutionary technology that combines the power of artificial intelligence and design expertise. It offers businesses an efficient way to create unique and impactful logos that resonate with their target audience. With Logo AI, you no longer need to spend endless hours brainstorming ideas or hiring expensive designers. It takes you through a seamless process by analyzing your industry, style preferences, and brand personality. First, Logo AI uses advanced algorithms to generate a wide variety of logo concepts based on your inputs. These concepts are not just random creations, but are carefully crafted by AI, keeping in mind design principles, trends, and what works best for your industry. Once you've selected a concept, Logo AI allows you to fine-tune your chosen logo, giving you complete control over its colors, typography, and even shapes. You can experiment and personalize until it matches your vision perfectly. But Logo AI doesn't stop there. It also provides you with a comprehensive range of file formats and sizes, ensuring your logo is adaptable across various platforms and devices. You'll have everything you need to establish a consistent brand identity. And the best part? It's not just for businesses. Logo AI is perfect for individuals, bloggers, and anyone in need of a stunning logo with minimal effort. It's a game changer for those who want professional results without breaking the bank. So next time you need a logo, think Logo AI. Say goodbye to the traditional design process and hello to efficiency, creativity, and affordability. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful design content.